Good morning, everyone. Uh, Once again, we will start with the revision of the last class. So, in the last lecture, we have discussed about the bandwidth quality factor of a series RLC circuit. We have derived the equation for the relationship which showing the relation between bandwidth quality factor and resonant frequency. So, we derived that expression, and that derivation asked number of times in the university question paper for 6 to 8 marks. You have to prepare that derivation as a theory question from this unit, and there are some also numerical problems based on that bit, particularly that expressions. There are the total 13 expressions are there, 1 3. So based on that expressions, there are some problems we can solve. So we'll move towards, before solving the numerical problems, the last bit is remaining in the series RLC circuit or series resonance circuit, and that bit will be magnification in series resonance circuit. So we'll start with that derivation or description. So voltage applied to the series RLC circuit is V. You can assume that the voltage is V. Okay, same as a Vs, or the name is different, just one. And current at resonance. Okay, so current value at resonance is I. So whatever the current is flowing at resonance, that will be the named as I. Then the first point, that is voltage across inductor at the resonance, is VL is equal to I into XL. So where the value of I is replaced by V divided by R. Why it is R? Because at resonance the value of Z is equal to R at resonance. Okay, so XL is replaced by omega R into L. R is referred for resonance. So similarly, voltage across capacitor E, capacitor C is, okay, that is denoted as VC, is equal to I into XC. So I is remains same, that is V divided by R, and whereas XC is nothing but 1 upon omega R into C. Okay, so now what is the quality factor equation now? What is the quality factor equation? So we'll uh, now quality factor we will see. Quality factor quality factor we'll derive some expression for quality factor. So we'll start with that one. So quality factor, it is defined as, ratio of it is defined as ratio of reactive power in inductor or capacitor to the true power in the resistor in the resistance in series with inductor or capacitor. Okay, so whenever the definition, what is the meaning or what is the definition of quality factor, it is denoted as Q. So it is defined as a ratio of reactive power in the inductor or capacitor to the true power in the resistance in series with inductor or capacitor. Okay, so it is denoted as Q is equal to, so expression I will write 2 pi into maximum energy stored. So as we know, inductor and capacitor are known as energy storage devices or energy storage elements. So 2 pi into maximum energy stored divided by energy dissipated, okay, per cycle. So we will find out what is the maximum energy stored. and what is the value of, or what is the equation for energy dissipated per cycle. Based on that we will get the expression for Q. Okay, now suppose we are considering inductor. Now consider inductor. It is applicable for both inductor as well as capacitor. Now consider inductor. So in the inductor, maximum energy stored is equal to L into I square divided by 2, where L is the inductance of the inductor, I is the value of current flowing through series RLC circuit, and this is a constant, and energy dissipated per cycle is equal to, okay, so what is the value of that one? I divided by under root 2 bracket square into R into T. Okay, so what is the value of T is here? So T is a time period of that particular cycle. Okay, now I divided by under root 2 bracket square into R is the resistance. Okay, as we are taking energy dissipated per cycle. Okay, into R into T, where is the T is the time period, we can say, of the cycle. Now next point. So if you are putting in that equation, Q is equal to 2 pi into, so maximum energy stored, what is the value of that one? That is 1 by 2 L into I square divided by energy dissipated per cycle. Okay, so I divided by under root 2, that square, that is I square divided by 2 into R into T. Okay, that value I have put in the equation, above equation. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. I square and I square will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 pi into L divided by R into T. So that is remaining. Okay. Now 2 pi L as it is, R is, what is the T? Where T is nothing but time period of the cycle. So T is nothing but 1 upon F. T is nothing but 1 upon F. So where F is nothing but frequency. Okay. So T I will replace by F. So if you are putting here 1 upon F, so F goes to the numerator. So that becomes 2 pi F into L divided by R, and this is the value of quality factor. Now if you are considering 2 pi F as a omega, so omega L divided by R, so this is Q. So Q is equal to omega L divided by R, and this is about what? Inductor. Similarly, so I will not derive for capacitor, I will directly tell the value. Similarly, you have to use. Similarly for capacitor. Similarly for this expression also we need for solving the problems. Okay. So you can give the expression name as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Similarly for capacitor. Maximum energy stored, same expression you have to use. Maximum energy stored is CV square divided by 2. So where V is the value of voltage applied to the series RLC circuit, and energy dissipated is same. Energy dissipated per cycle is equal to I divided by under root 2 raised to square into R into T. This will remain same. It may be capacitor or it may be inductor. Okay, energy dissipated per cycle remains same. Only the capacitor will store the energy in the form of voltage, and inductor will store the energy in the form of current. Okay, or in terms of electric field and magnetic field, we can say. Whereas the form is so equation is C into V square divided by 2, where C is the capacitor and V is the applied voltage. Now if you are putting this value in the equation of Q, then Q is equal to 2 pi into, so energy stored is here, that is 1 by 2 into cv square divided by I square divided by 2 into r into t. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so that is again 2 pi into c, okay, v square divided by r into t. Now here r is again, this t is again replaced by f, that is 2 pi f into c v square okay, okay, I square, okay, that is remaining I square, okay. Now v square divided by I square, so 2 pi f into c into r, t is replaced by f, that is 1 upon f, f goes to the numerator. Now we will classify into two parts. So first of all, here what is remaining, 2 pi f, 2 pi f in a taken in a one bracket, c divided by r here, okay. So next one, v divided by I, that bracket square we can take, v divided by I bracket square. Are you understand now? So 2 pi f I have taken in one bracket, c as it is, r as it is. Now into v divided by I have taken in a one bracket. So v divided by I means what? Related to the capacitor. V divided by I means what? That is the impedance Z. Okay. So V divided by I means related to capacitor. V divided by is nothing but impedance. So what is the impedance of capacitor? Z of capacitor. So Z of capacitor is nothing but V divided by R, and that is nothing but Xc. So what is the value of Xc? What is the value of Xc? That is 1 upon omega c. Are you understand? V divided by I म्हणजेच काय? Impedance. So what is the impedance of capacitor? That is Xc. So what is the value of Xc? That is 1 upon omega c. So carefully write here 2 pi f into c as it is divided by r as it is, okay. So v upon I is replaced by xc, and xc is replaced by 1 upon omega c, that is 1 upon omega c bracket square. Now what is remaining final expression? Q is equal to 2 pi f is nothing but omega, so omega into c divided by r omega square c square. So this and this will get cancelled, omega and omega will get cancelled. So q is equal to 1 upon what is remaining, that is omega rc किंवा omega cr, both are same. So this is the expression for quality factor related to capacitor. Are you understand? So what is the, this will be the, you can consider as the equation number 2. So what is the equation number 1? So finally I write quality factor Q is equal to, what is we got, omega L divided by R is equal to 1 upon omega C into R. So this is the expression we are going to use for solving the problems. Are you understand? Any doubt in this? So this is the expression for quality factor in terms of inductor and in terms of capacitor. Now we will move towards the magnification. Okay, so we'll start again once again that part. So magnification, where we started. So voltage applied to the series RLC circuit, that we started. So VL is nothing but V divided by R into omega R into L. So voltage across capacitor is VC is equal to I into XC, that is V divided by R into 1 upon omega R into C. Okay, so we'll start that magnification. So first of all, we'll write the definition of the magnification, or we can say therefore okay. So therefore, first of all, we will take inductor. VL is equal to, what is the expression we got? Once again I will revise, and once again we will consider that point. VL is equal to V divided by R into omega R into L. So I will write same expression but in a different manner. So how to write that one? VL is equal to, can I write like this, V into omega R into L divided by R. So I will show that previous one also. So V divided by R into omega R into L. So omega R into L divided by R taken in the one bracket and V as outside. So same taken here. So if you are comparing this expression with this one, what you can see? हा इक्वेशन जर ह्या इक्वेशनशी कंपेअर केलं, what you can see, just ओमेगाचं नाव बदलले. This omega is general, okay, and this is related to resonant frequency. So can I write VL is equal to V into Q? Whether it is correct? Whether it is correct? If you are comparing this expression with this one, so this bracket is replaced by Q. Okay, forget about this omega. This omega is for any frequency. That is general equation. If you are considering at resonance as magnification part, magnification is related to resonant frequency. So omega is replaced by omega R. So can I write or can I replace this bracket is by Q? Okay. So VL is equal to V into Q. Similarly for capacitor. Similarly, so this expression is equation number 3. Similarly for capacitor, or here write for inductor. Similarly for capacitor, that is VC is equal to, okay. So what is the expression we got at the start? So VC is equal to V divided by omega R into CR. Okay. So I will classify or I will write in a different manner here. So VC is equal to V divided by omega R into C into R. Now V as it is 1 upon omega R into C into R. If you are comparing with this one, that is 1 upon this is replaced by again Q. So VC is equal to V into Q again. So that is equation number 4. That is equation number 4, where Q is 1 upon omega R into C into R. Okay. So here from equation 3 and 4, so from equation 3 and 4 we get, from equation number 3 and 4 we get Q is equal to VL divided by V, also equal to VC divided by V. From equation number 3 and 4 we get Q is equal to VL divided by V is equal to VC divided by V. So this Q is nothing but now magnification. It is also named as quality factor and sometimes it is also named as magnification. So magnification Q is equal to VL divided by V or VC divided by V. So what is the definition now? So magnification at resonance, magnification at resonance in series RLC circuit is defined as ratio of voltage across either inductor L or capacitor C to the voltage applied at a resonance. Okay. So carefully read the definition. So magnification at resonance from the above expression. So I will make it box. So this is the expression number, whatever you can give. So magnification at resonance in series RLC circuit is defined as ratio of voltage across either inductor or capacitor. So voltage across either L or C to the voltage applied at resonance. So voltage applied at resonance is nothing but V. Okay. So this is the definition of the magnification. So this question was asked for 2 marks, and same question for parallel resonance. Parallel resonance. So combinedly it was asked for 4 marks. Explain the magnification in series and parallel resonance circuit, asked for 4 marks. Okay. Are you understand? Any doubt? So we'll start the problem solving. So question number 1. So numerical problems will start based on the entire series resonance. Okay. So series resonance part is over. Series resonance part is over, and based on that we will solve the 3 to 4 problems, and after that we'll try to start the parallel resonance. Okay. So first, take down the first numerical problem. It is very simple. For the circuit shown, for the circuit shown, determine value of q, that is quality factor, value of q at resonance, and also bandwidth of and also bandwidth of the circuit, and also bandwidth of the circuit. हम्म, कोण आणले? नाही नाही. उघडच होते. Okay. Now take down the circuit diagram. This is the 90 ohm resistor. Capacitor is 100 microfarad, and inductor is given 5 Henry, and here also a 10 ohm. So this is the applied voltage 10 volt. 90 ohm, 100 microfarad, 5 Henry, and again 10 ohm resistor is connected. So you have to find out two parameters. One is the quality factor at resonance, and second one is the bandwidth of the circuit. Okay. You have number of equations with you. So start. So I will give the 5 minutes to complete this problem and tell the answer. Meanwhile, I will take the. So R is equal to 90 plus 10, that is 100 ohm. L is equal to 5 Henry, and C is equal to 100 microfarad. And resonance frequency, first of all you have to find, because without finding this answer you cannot find out the Q at resonance, and without finding Q you cannot get the answer of bandwidth. Okay. So FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC. So L value is given, C value is given, put the values and get the answer of FR. Tell the answer now. FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC, means L is 5 and C is 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay. What is answer? FR is equal to 7.11 or 7.12 unit. Unit काय असतं frequency? Hertz. Okay. So FR, everyone got this answer? आलाय का सगळ्यांचा आन्सर हे? Only you have to put the value of L and C. Okay, FR is equal to 7.12 hertz. Now next point, once you got the resonant frequency, you have to find out the quality factor. आता quality factor चे इक्वेशन आपल्याकडे भरपूर आहेत, एक्सप्रेशन भरपूर आहेत. Okay, or formula, there are the number of formulas which you can take, which is suitable to find out the Q. कुठलं सुटेबल आहे? इंडक्टर पण दिले, कॅपॅसिटर पण दिले. कुठलं यूज करू शकता? दॅट इज ओमेगा आर इंटू एल डिवायडेड बाय आर और 1 ओमेगा आर इंटू सी इंटू आर. कुठलं यूज करू शकता या दोन्हीपैकी? ओमेगा आर म्हणजेच काय? 2 पाय एफ आर. त्यातलं एफ आर माहित आहे, एल माहित आहे, आर माहित आहे. किंवा जर कॅपॅसिटर्स यूज केलात तर 1/ओमेगा आर इंटू सी इंटू आर. सी माहित आहे, आर माहित आहे, ओमेगा आर पण माहित होणार, कारण बिकॉज 2 पाय एफ आर वी ऑलरेडी कॅल्क्युलेटेड. So whatever you can feel easy, you can use the expression. Suppose I am using the L related. So Q is equal to omega r into L divided by R. So that is nothing but 2 pi FR into L divided by R. So put the values 2 pi into 7.12 into 5 divided by R is 100. Okay. So tell the value of Q. Okay, very good. 2.23. So this is the answer of quality factor. Everyone got this one? I have started with the simple numerical problem. So one by one we will increase the difficulty level. So third one, that is the bandwidth. So what is the formula for bandwidth? You know the quality factor, you know the resonant frequency. What is the expression for bandwidth now? काय bandwidth is R divided by 2 pi L. Okay, that is also good. That also you can use. Or bandwidth is equal to resonant frequency divided by quality factor. Bandwidth divided by resonant frequency is 1/Q. So take the FR here. Okay. So bandwidth is nothing but FR divided by Q. So FR you got 7.12 divided by quality factor you got 2.23. So what is the bandwidth? 3.19. Okay. Sorry, 178 काय तर येत आहे बघा. Okay, 19. 3.19. What is the unit of bandwidth? What is the unit? Bandwidth is nothing but difference between two frequencies, f2 minus f1. Okay. So hertz. Hertz is the unit of bandwidth. Everyone got these values? If you know the formulas, you will get the answer. Okay. Can we move towards the next problem? Any doubt in this? Okay. We will solve the next problem here. Next one, question number 2. Question number 2. A series RLC circuit has a quality factor of quality factor of 5 at 50 radian per second. Okay, a series RLC circuit has quality factor of 5 at okay. A series RLC circuit has a quality factor of 5 at 50 radian per second. Okay. Now next, the current flowing through circuit is the current flowing through circuit is the current flowing through circuit at resonance, we can say the current flowing through circuit at resonance is 10 ampere. The current flowing through circuit at a resonance is 10 ampere and supply voltage is 100 volt and supply voltage is 100 volt. Supply voltage is 100 volt. Okay. Uh, total impedance. Total impedance. Total impedance of the circuit. Total impedance of the circuit is 20 ohm. Total impedance of the circuit is 20 ohm. So what I have to find out? Find circuit constants. Find circuit constants. That is the question. Once again, read the question carefully. What are the given things you have to note down as an input? A series RLC circuit has a quality factor of 5. Okay, so Q is equal to 5 given at 50 radian per second. Okay, so what is given? 15 radian per second means what? Omega value is given. Omegaचा unit काय असतो? Radian per second. That is the angular frequency. So that is given 50 radian per second. Okay. Now next, the current flowing through circuit at resonance is 10 ampere. So value of I is given, that is 10 ampere, and supply voltage is given V is equal to 100 volt. So the total impedance of the circuit is 20 ohm. So find circuit constant. So what you have to find? Who will tell what is the meaning of circuit constants? Circuit constant म्हणजे काय? You have to find out. Circuit constant means what? You have to find out RLC. त्यातला R च व्हॅल्यू दिलंय. RLC फाइंड आउट करायचंय. ओके. टोटल इम्पेडन्स दिलंय. टोटल इम्पेडन्स याचा अर्थ रजिस्टर नाही. That is Z. So you have to find out R, L and C. Circuit constant means R, L and C. Okay. So what are the given things we will write down? Q is equal to 5 given. Q is equal to 5 given. The value of current is given, that is 10 ampere. Value of supply voltage is given, that is 100 volt. And what are the given things? Another अजून काय काय दिले? Okay. So omega is given. Omega is given, that is 50 radian per second. Okay. These are the given. So what you have to find out? You have to find out what is the value of R, what is the value of L, and what is the value of C. So these are the called as time, circuit constants. Circuit constants that you have to find out. So how to find out? Who will tell? How to start? कसं start करायचं? Okay. So here also the value of total impedance Z is given, and that is Z is nothing but 20 ohm. Now one thing you can start with R. How to find out R? So at resonance the value of current is given. So what is that? 10 ampere. At resonance the value of total supply voltage, that is 100 ohm. So from this, from I and V, we will get the value of R. So at resonance, the value of current I is nothing but total voltage V divided by R. So why it is R? At resonance the value of impedance is R. Okay. So here unknown is R. So R is equal to V divided by I. I you can exchange. So V value is 100 and I value is given as a 10 ampere. So 100 divided by 10, that is R you got as a 10 ohm. Okay. Now next, second point. Second point. So quality factor is given. Quality factor is given. You got value of R. Omega is given. So can you find out inductor or capacitor? You have equation now. The quality factor is given by quality factor Q is, that is Q is, so what is the expression? Q is, what is the expression? That is omega L divided by R, or 1 upon omega R into C. So these are the two expression with us. So by using these two expression, Q is already given, R is known, omega is known. So you can easily find out L or C. So first of all, we will find out the value of L. So Q is equal to omega into L divided by R. So what is unknown here? L. So L is equal to Q into R divided by omega. L is equal to Q into R divided by omega. So what is the value of Q? Q is 5. So what is the value of R? What is the value of R? That is the 10 divided by, what is the omega? That is also 50. So 50 divided by 50. So value of L is 1 Henry. Okay. Similarly for Q is equal to 1 upon omega into R into C. Therefore, C is equal to 1 upon Q into omega into R. So put the value of all those values. Q omega is 5, sorry, Q is 5 into omega is 50 into R is 10. So what is the value of C? You can calculate and tell. 5 into 50 into 10. That is 500. 1 upon 2500. That is C is equal to किती येते बघा 400 मायक्रोफॅरेड येते का करेक्ट आहे का बघा 400 मायक्रोफॅरेड 1 upon 2500 येते का